I go. This Ashawo. This Ashawo so. You go collect my customer phone number, call her from my back. Now if follow my customer work finish now, me they call my customer, they pick my call again. This a year boy. See, I'm gonna go kill you for here.
Nothing if you
I go put something for you and you go mash her.
Nothing if you do.
That will not be me.
Because of woman and the fight. Because of woman.
Not just bring your leg come outside. I go beat you, I will beat you blue black. I will beat you like small pikin. Forget see you just big like this. Like I saw they castrate you, I go injure you. Customer. Rubbish. Customer check out.
Come now.
Customer observe me. I do well. Full package. See yourself. So I don't find so you know see who they carry. Ashawo. I go poison you. Let me tell you.
I go show you pepper.
Me. You don't know me.
Hey, me.
Me. Hey. Okay.
You go know me. Hello, customer.
How are you?
Customer, check me out.
Check me out. Come on.
Studded waist.
Special customer.
You know, I just came back from the States, so I need something soft so I can lay my head. I guess this is the real catch. Baby, let's go.
All I say here, me when they see my dance, so they don't carry me. I go poison you for this location. I go put something, you go mash and you go there.
You are the manage.
Well, if you talk to me, now God go wipe you slap.
Baby, let's go. There is no need. The way you were just eating that food just now, it's sure that you are a glutton. When you once a prisoner, you were eating the food as if they just released you from prison.
Mama, now walk to carry me from work.
Please, save the explanation for yourself. What are you still doing standing there? Remove your bag, come and satisfy me.
Mama, I know sis, your satisfaction is my concern.
That is what I want. Wait. Hold on. What is smelling? Did you mess?
Mama.
Is your bossa dirty? I believe it's your bossa that is smelling. Please, go on, freshen up. How can you come to me with a smelly boxers? Can you come and your boxers will be smelling? Oh, who's calling? Could that be? Oh, Pastor. Hello?
Yeah, Sister Evelyn.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, I just got a revelation that you need to leave that hotel that you are in right now. Something bad is about to hit you. Leave the hotel room now and go to your family. You are blessed.
Okay, sir, I'll do just that.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, the lady that just left said that you are not paying for everything. Like the bill, the shopping, and everything. Anyway, the bill is 172,000 naira. So, sir, are you paying with cash or POS?
Oh God, they never pay me. I just say work now, so now I want to start work.
Sir, I don't understand. Which one they never pay you? So, are you paying with POS or cash, sir, please? Please. We don't want Charlotte to organize your sir.
Oh God, you didn't shake my belly. They never pay me.
Jesus is Lord.
Ha! Who is this guy?
Solo, what happen? No come dey see you again after that incident. You go dey fresh na native you dey hear now. Tell us the secret.
My brother, I beg put water for my hand, I beg. As you see me so, anything wey concern this Ashawo work, what would they do? So, I don't wash my hand or mouth. I don't get new hustle now, legit one. And I want S-bet. Now they play now.
One S-bet.
Yes, sir.
Which one be one S-bet again?
1xbet na the best and the most reliable betting platform as I dey follow you talk so.
Not be them be the official global partner of Barcelona Football Club and La Liga.
You sabi am?
Don't them be the official sponsor of African Cup of Nations.
Bam. You no go believe say to create account na free.
Don't mean it.
Just go Play Store or Apple Store, download 1xbet, register, e don finish. Yeah. Then when you make your first deposit, 1xbet go knack you 200% bonus. Join that one where you take deposit so using the promo code PILLSBET. That is when you deposit $100, they go give you 200% bonus of that $200. That be $200. They go out and join that your $100 where you fair play, where you take deposit so it come be $300. Now you go just get. Not only that one no. What it cost me be say if you can't see putting at $10 you put, they'll give you 200% bonus of that $10, will be $20. Wow. You can't add them to that money where you deposit, that be $30. I say just be. Them even get special no risk bet offer. And another bonus is specific for them. See, if you dey celebrate your birthday like this, they go knock you bonus.
Don't mean it.
Me use that take follow up.
Clear.
Look.
Now make it a fresh like this.
Run. Thank you for saving me.